Amici welcomes pasta lovers, pizza lovers, and gelato enthusiasts to discover its broad cuisine full of original flavors. It has something for everyone, whether you want spaghetti, pizza, or gelato. The pleasant atmosphere and reasonable prices of the Amici menu make dining there an experience to remember. To fit every budget, Amici has a menu with a range of prices. There is an aspect wonderful for everyone to enjoy, from fancy meals to cheap ones. With prices running from Philippine peso 149 to Philippine peso 1518, Amici is both a delicious and affordable place to eat. A journey through food is what Amici's menu offers. Enjoy a standard margarita pizza, a bowl of creamy truffle pasta, or a dish of savory chicken parmigiana. To provide a great meal, each dish is carefully prepared using the best ingredients. Amici offers mouth-watering flavors that will satisfy foodies and easy diners alike. Explore the delicious flavors at Amici, where the menu is full of tasty choices. From rich pasta to tasty pizzas, each meal is masterfully prepared to suit your cravings. Everyone can find something they want at affordable prices. At Amici, you can taste food without leaving the Philippines. Start your meal with one of Amici's appetizers, priced between Philippine peso 207 and Philippine peso 627. From classic bruschetta to crispy calamari, these appetizers are perfect for sharing or enjoying as a solo appetizer. Amici best-selling items. Experience Amici's top choices, meticulously prepared to delight discerning tastes and create lasting memories. From timeless favorites to innovative creations, each dish showcases culinary excellence. With a focus on quality and flavor, its top picks promise an unforgettable dining experience for every guest. Discover why its dishes are beloved by all who dine with us. At Amici, it is open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., providing plenty of time for you to enjoy delicious offerings. Whether you're starting your day with a hearty breakfast or winding down with a cozy dinner, its extended hours cater to your schedule. Join it throughout the day to experience the flavors of Amici. In summary, Amici offers a delightful dining experience with its variety of authentic menu dishes at reasonable prices. Whether you're in the mood for pasta, pizza, or gelato, there's something to satisfy your cravings. With its convenient location, extended hours, and dedication to quality, it is the ideal spot for any mealtime. Whether dining in, getting takeout, or celebrating, Amici ensures a memorable culinary experience. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.